Start with a circle for Naruto's head. Draw a vertical line down the center and a horizontal line halfway through the circle. These will help you place the facial features. On the horizontal guideline, draw two large slightly angled rectangle shapes for Naruto's eyes. Make sure to draw the shapes very lightly as this is just the guideline for the eyes. Using your rectangles, add a curved line from point A to point B. You can make these lines thicker as this will be the top part of Naruto's eyes. Then add two straight lines for the bottom of his eyes. Add small circles inside for the pupils, and draw another small circle inside each pupil to represent the highlight. Draw an angled triangle for eyebrows right above the eyes. Add two lines that will be the nose for Naruto. Draw a curved line below the nose for his mouth, giving him a slight smile. Draw two angled lines on both sides of the circle, and another set of lines until they meet at the bottom. You can adjust this to make sure you can get the shape of Naruto's face. He has a more rounded jaw. Use reference images from the Naruto series to help you capture his likeness. Draw 3 whisker-like marks on each of Naruto's cheeks. These are a key feature for his face. Erase any unnecessary guidelines and construction lines. On the side of Naruto's head, draw his ears from the eye level down to the nose line. Draw Naruto's headband across his forehead, right above his eyes. Add the metal plate in the center of the headband by adding a slightly curved rectangle. Draw the leaf symbol on the metal plate. You can add some folds and creases to make it look realistic. You can add a half circle on top of the headband to guide you on where to place Naruto's hair. Naruto has spiky blonde hair. Draw large, sharp spikes extending outwards and upwards from the hairline. Make some spikes longer and others shorter to make it more dynamic. Draw two lines extending down from the jaw to form the neck. Make sure not to forget that Naruto has hair under his ears. You can draw these by adding hair that points downwards. Sketch his shoulders and the collar of his outfit. Add the details of his jacket, including the zipper and the high collar. Go over your sketch, refining the lines and adding more details where needed. Keep practicing. Drawing characters like Naruto takes time to master.
Comment down below which character you want to see a drawing tutorial on.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe